Hey YouTubers, I wanted to show you one of my latest finds for my train layout, and it's a Marx service station that was made back in the 30s. And it really looks like the old service stations that used to be around, that I would see around California and Nevada. They had flat roofs because we don't have a lot of snow here in the valley. And I think they put a lot of detail in it. These are fairly rare. They do make one with a large pump in the middle. These are not hoses, they're actually little cranks. I guess a kid can crank them, I don't know why. Want to. But a lot of detail on the back wall. See if I can show it. You've got your oil drums, LMH, whatever that means on each oil drum. You've got your tire chains, so if you do go up in the snow, hanging on the wall. The door looks a little strange because the floor's a bit tweaked. Now you see, now the door's straight. Now it's a bit wonky. And you'll see the nice Marx symbol at the top over where it says gas. You got your shingled roof. Move this back a ways. And there's where you drive your car in to get it in the shade out of the hot Sacramento Valley sun to fill it up. Window on the end, sign, tires, tubes, accessories, repairs. And two windows on the back. Same thing on this side, tires, tubes, accessories, and repairs. And I guess this is probably about, takes up about 8 inches by 8 inches, and maybe about 4.5 inches tall. But this is one of the coolest little gas stations, little accessories for a layout that I have ever seen. A friend of mine, Ed, in the Marx group, has had one for years, and I've been lusting after it. He has the one big single gas pump in the middle. These gas pumps say aereo gas at the top, and then gasoline on a slanted sign near the bottom. And they're the old kind where you would actually pump the gas up into a glass globe and see there'd be markings up there to tell you how much gasoline you were going to load into your car, and you pay for that much. So anyway, just wanted to share it. I think it's really cool. Marx really made some great stuff in the 30s and 40s. And of course, that's why I love their trains. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.